Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Pocket Option and transfer it to your Binance account. If you're trading on Pocket Option and want to move your earnings to Binance for further trading or conversion, this guide will make the process simple and easy to follow. Start by logging into your Pocket Option account on the web or mobile app. Once you're logged in, go to the Finance section and then select Withdraw Funds. You'll see a list of available withdrawal methods, including cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, USDT, Ethereum, and more. Next, open your Binance account and go to Wallet, Overview, and Deposit. Choose the same cryptocurrency that you selected for withdrawal on Pocket Option. Binance will provide you with a deposit address for that crypto. Copy this address carefully. Double-check it to make sure it matches the crypto type, because sending coins to the wrong address could result in permanent loss. Go back to Pocket Option, select your cryptocurrency, and paste the Binance deposit address into the recipient field. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Make sure it's above the minimum withdrawal limit set by Pocket Option and that you account for any network fees that might apply. After verifying all the details, confirm the transaction. Once the withdrawal request is submitted, it may take a few minutes to several hours depending on the cryptocurrency network. You can track the status of your withdrawal in the Transaction History section on Pocket Option. After the transfer is confirmed on the blockchain, your funds will appear in your Binance wallet and you can start trading, converting, or transferring them further. And that's it. With this method, you can safely move your earnings from Pocket Option to Binance. Make sure to always double-check addresses and amounts to avoid mistakes. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials on trading and crypto management.